If your browser is running slow, missing features, or you just want to make sure you have the latest security updates, this tutorial will show you exactly how to update Chrome and laptop in just a few simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you usually launch it. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots, which is the main menu for Chrome. Click those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From there, move your mouse over Help. When the Help submenu appears, click About Google Chrome. This is the section Chrome uses to check whether your browser is up to date. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will automatically start checking for updates. You don't need to click anything else at this point. If an update is available, Chrome will begin downloading it automatically in the background. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take a few moments. If Chrome is already updated, you'll usually see a message saying that Google Chrome is up to date. If an update is available, Chrome will download it and prepare it for installation. Just wait until that process finishes. In many cases, Chrome does the hard part for you, so the update process is very simple and beginner-friendly. Once the update is finished downloading, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the update. Your open tab should reopen after the browser restarts, so you can continue where you left off. And that's it. Chrome is now updated on your laptop. Keeping your browser updated is important because it helps improve performance, fix bugs, and protect your device with the latest security patches. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides, troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.